Hi guys, let's see how to save battery life on Mac or extend battery life on MacBook with these simple tips. So the very first thing you might have noticed is a feature in MacBook that is low power mode. So you can use this feature if your Mac is not giving so much battery life. So just click on it and click on battery settings, okay, and choose low power mode only on battery, or you can choose always. Okay, if you're doing some energy intensive task, then you can switch it off, otherwise this goes through very well. So you can choose low power mode. Also, what you can do, you can just click on the control center and try to adjust the display to your required condition where you can see things clearly, but it is as minimum as possible. Okay, so this is the second fix. Now go to settings, scroll down and find lock screen. Click on lock screen. Okay, and in this option, turn display off on battery when inactive, try to choose as minimum time as possible. Try to choose 2 minutes or 1 minute, whatever is possible, because when you're not using, it will try to turn off the display in both the cases. Okay, now another tip is keep your MacBook cooler. Try to maintain a cool temperature around it, because in hot surroundings it discharges battery at a faster rate. Now just go to activity manager, click on activity monitor. Now in the activity monitor, click on energy, okay, and just click on energy impact to sort it via energy impact of apps. And now see which apps are using too much energy on your Mac, too much battery on your Mac. And if you can consider switching those apps, are not so useful, you can try switching to different apps, or you can uninstall those apps if you can go with it. So you can find out those apps. Also, click on this Apple logo, click on force quit, and try to force quit those apps which you are currently not using, because there are many apps which are open in the background. Try to force quit those apps, which saves a lot of battery. Now let's move to next step. Click on settings again, and this time go to keyboard, click on keyboard, and now here turn keyboard backlight off after inactivity. Try to choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds as minimum as possible, because if you're not using the keyboard for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, the keyboard backlight will be turned off, and in this way it will save battery. Now another thing is your browsers. So what happens that if you're using Chrome is set to consume a lot of battery power from your Mac. So you can try switching to Safari, but if you love Chrome, many people love Chrome browser, then in that case what you can do, you can just click on these 3 dots and now just search memory saver. Click on memory saver to expand it and choose a maximum setting. Okay, so this ensures maximum memory saving. If a lot of tabs are open on Chrome, try to close the unused tabs to save a lot of battery. Okay, also what happens that there are many extensions which are not being used by you. Try to remove those extensions from Chrome, Safari or Firefox, whatever browser you're using. Just try to delete unwanted extensions, because some extensions run in the background, consume a lot of power. So that is also one of the tips. Also, what you can do, you can just try to turn off the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi if you're not using it. So click on settings and click on Bluetooth, and if you're not using Bluetooth, try to turn it off. Also, if you're not using Wi-Fi right now, try to turn it off, because both these services are consuming a lot of battery and background. So if you're not using it, consider turning it off for the while. Okay, so that's it guys. These tips will save your battery and increase your battery life of your Mac to considerable extent, and your problem will be solved. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching The Geek Page.